Hi everyone, look what I got you today. This wireless doorbell with camera and with Chime. It's from this brand Rebluum with W like this. We can connect it to our phone and it has an extra piece so that you can put inside your home for the chime to ring inside your home so you can hear it. It's really nice. You can download the app on your Android or on your iOS devices. It comes with a manual. Also, it comes with this sign, 24-hour video surveillance. It has auto motion detector. Also comes with this, so you can it shows you where to install it, and this will help you where to install, where to put the screw. This is the internal chime device, and you can charge it with a USB-C cable. This is the USB-C cable. Comes with 3 AAA batteries. Comes with the installation kit. And look at this. This is the surveillance camera. This is the doorbell. You press the power here and it will switch it on. Isn't that gorgeous? Peel off the whole film before using it. So let's peel it off together. Look at this. Wow. Now once we connect it to the Bluetooth, we will be able to see and see how it works and see the resolution of the video camera. You can take pictures, you can record videos. It also, you can, I think you can put, you can put an SD card in here. You can put an mini SD card in here. You can also do a reset over here, and there's here where you charge it. This is cool. You can, instead of putting screw, you can hang it using this double face sticker. That is really nice, because I don't like to screw in my walls and ruin them. So now I'm letting my device scan the QR code, and I believe it's read it.
Connecting. Please wait.
Right now it's connecting. Look. Yeah. Added successfully.
Press next to enter network diagnose.
Okay, so I'm gonna show you right now. Like, this is me. Look how clear that is, right? And like, I'm holding the camera device. Wow, isn't this amazing? I'll be installing this outside somewhere, and I will be just testing it. Let's test it. Let me put done here, and I'll be ringing the bell. Oh, oh, it's ringing. Answer. All right. Okay, hello, who is that? Ooh, it's echoing because I'm gonna, okay, I muted it, but I can speak here, and you can see and hear my voice from this into the camera. Isn't this amazing? Wow. It's also very clear. Look at me. This is weird. Okay, I'm gonna explore some additional features. Okay, it can save into cloud. Ignore. You can go into history. You can go into live. Okay, you can also go into messages, which shows, okay, the messages which shows here like all the history of who, you know, passed by it, because it's motion detected. Yeah, you can choose here motion detection. You can choose here motion detection. Let me, yes, and toggle on. And let's put silent here. I removed the voice. and here you can click on record. It will start recording. And look at this, it took a shot. We can take a screenshot, and we can do intercom. We can do change voice as well. We can change the voice, and we can tamper alarm. Basically, this motion detector, everyone who passes by this, it will record it, or it will show you here or alert you that somebody has passed by your home, knocked on your door, or like left you a package or something like this. Alert. You see, it gave me an alert because like it's motion detecting, and I'm moving the camera next to me, so it detected this motion. It has history, it has cloud. Gorgeous, gorgeous. It even looks amazing. So let's install it and see how it looks at the final. But I just want to mention one last thing here. Look, it gives you the time of the visitor, so time and date. So make sure it is set at the time. It's automatically set, so probably because it's connected to the internet, it automatically detects the date and time. So 7:33 motion detector with a picture of the motion. Look here.